Well, I think that we both are signed up for short-term disability and then long-term disability, so that would help a little bit.
Hi, this is Taayla Mark with Grace Financial Solutions, and you are watching Street Smarts with Taayla. Thank you so much for joining me. I so appreciate your attention. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'd love to come back and talk with you every month on financial planning. This time we are talking about long-term care, and I want to share a story, a personal story about my family that relates to this product. Grandma was the perfect example of how long-term care insurance could have worked for her. Grandma really took care of herself. She exercised, she ate the right food, she had a positive attitude, and we always joke that Grandma walked faster and has more energy than her 7 granddaughters. In her mid-80s, Grandma became forgetful. It was the early signs of dementia. She managed to stay in her own home for 4 years, but during that period, we needed to give her 24/7 support. And eventually, we had to move Grandma into a long-term care facility. She lived in that facility for 2 years, and during that period, we hired a nurse to give her the extra attention because, unfortunately, Grandma eventually forgot how to move on her own. The family struggled with the cost of her care. Even though Grandma was financially stable at the beginning of her illness, money and assets were quickly used up in order to support her. As a financial planner, I knew that the best product for Grandma to have was long-term care because it provides a monthly income for the care of her while she was at home and while she was at the facility.
If you're unable to work due to situation, how many paychecks can you comfortably miss before things get a little dire?
Probably none. Yeah, just like right now I'm going through a little bit of medical things, so not everything is covered under my insurance, so I have to pay out of pocket for a lot of things, so I probably wouldn't be able to miss any.
Unfortunately, the best time to get long-term care insurance is when you're younger and healthy. If you're in your 50s or 60s, you should run to submit your application for long-term care insurance because the longer you delay, the harder it is to get the coverage and the premium becomes unreasonable. With today's advancement in medicine and technology, it is possible to outlive your savings. If that is one of your concerns, ask your financial advisor about long-term care or leave some questions on the comments below and I would love to share with you some more. Grace Financial Solutions, financial success made simple.